how to change your languages on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your languages on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings. And here go down, you will find profile information, and then click this one, birthdays. Click this pen here and go down until you find your languages here. Just delete it, click this X icon and type another one here, and then just and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.